If you are considering using MoneyLion for a cash advance, the first question you probably have is simple. How do you actually qualify? In this video, I will walk you through the real requirements for MoneyLion Cash Advance, how eligibility works, and what you can do to increase your chances of getting approved. MoneyLion Cash Advance, also known as Instacash, is designed to give you early access to money without interest. However, it is not automatic. There are specific conditions you must meet before MoneyLion allows you to borrow. The first requirement is having an active MoneyLion account. You must download the MoneyLion app, create an account, and complete your profile. This includes verifying your identity with your legal name, date of birth, and a valid social security number or equivalent identification where applicable. Without full verification, you will not qualify for any cash advance. Next, you need a connected checking account. MoneyLion requires you to link an external bank account or use a MoneyLion Raw Money account. This is important because MoneyLion uses your bank activity to determine eligibility. They look at your transaction history, income patterns, and account stability. If your account shows frequent overdrafts or long periods of inactivity, your chances may be lower. Regular income is one of the most important factors. MoneyLion typically prefers users who receive consistent deposits. This can be from employment, self-employment, benefits, or other recurring income sources. You do not need a traditional 9-to-5 job, but your income should be predictable. Irregular or one-time deposits usually do not help your eligibility. Another key factor is account activity. MoneyLion evaluates how actively you use your linked account. Regular spending, bill payments, and deposits show financial behavior they can assess. An account that is rarely used or newly opened may not qualify immediately. In most cases, users need some transaction history before Instacash becomes available. Your spending habits also matter. MoneyLion looks at whether you can realistically repay the advance. If your expenses consistently exceed your income, or if your balance frequently drops to zero, the system may limit or deny your cash advance access. The goal is to ensure repayment without causing financial stress. Once you meet the basic requirements, your Instacash limit is determined. New users often start with a small amount. Over time, this limit can increase if you maintain steady income, avoid overdrafts, and repay advances on time. Responsible usage directly affects how much MoneyLion is willing to offer you. It is important to understand that MoneyLion does not rely heavily on traditional credit scores for Instacash. This makes it attractive for people with low or no credit history. However, that does not mean there is no evaluation. Your real financial behavior inside the app is what matters most. To improve your chances of qualifying, there are practical steps you can take. First, use your linked bank account consistently. Second, ensure your income deposits are regular. Third, avoid negative balances where possible. Finally, consider using MoneyLion's Raw Money account, as users often report better access and higher limits with it. Once you qualify, requesting a cash advance is straightforward. Open the MoneyLion app, navigate to Instacash, select the amount you are eligible for, and choose your delivery speed. Standard delivery is usually free, while instant delivery may include a small fee. In summary, qualifying for MoneyLion Cash Advance depends on verified identity, a linked and active bank account, consistent income, and responsible financial behavior. It is not about how much money you make, but how stable and predictable your finances are. If you are thinking about applying for MoneyLion Cash Advance, focus on building a clean transaction history and steady income flow. That is the fastest and most reliable way to unlock Instacash and increase your borrowing limit over time.